So once you're signed in onto Vectr, this is the page you get to. And over here, you can see that new artwork is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you get this option right here, which says create new. So here you can see that custom size is an option where you can go around and set the width and height of the pixel as you like, or you can go and choose a preset as well. Like let's say for example, you can choose print right here, and let's say you want to choose A4 size, then you can get this option as you can see. You can also choose dot per inch of the preset right here. Or you can choose web and desktop graphics right here, or social media or device-based graphics as you can see. Let me just go to web and desktop right here and select out full website right here. So you can see that this is the resolution that you have. And I'm going to go around and name the title of this project as tutorial right here and click on create. So once I do that, what happens is that the project is created as you can see right here. And now you can simply start working around with the project and you can see that a new project has been created. If I were to go to home right here now, and this is the project that you see right here. So these are both saved right here. So you can go around and open it and continue working around with it as well. And that is how you can create a new artwork project inside of Vectr. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.